Hey, what's up guys? This is Adul here with Enthusiast Trader. In this video, I will be discussing the trades that I took today, October 12th, and also the trade ideas for October 13th. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the spiders. The spiders, gapped up pretty big, and then they continue to go higher. And now in the post market, they're even higher. So this looks like it looks very bullish, and this looks like it wants to retest the all-time high, which is 358. If anything, it might come down here and retest the 342, but I think we stay between 358 and 342, around there. Let's look at the Qs. Qs also a similar situation, gapped up and then a huge day. Now they're up post market also. They're also looking to try the all-time high again. Looking at the futures, they kind of look red right now, but they also they have room to go to the all-time high as well. So let's review the trades that I took today. I only had one day trade, WIMI WIMI. I like this consolidation, go downward pattern now, put in a huge volume. Although I did not get in here at 550, I got in at 605, which was kind of late, considering, the fact when I got in, it was kind of late. But I like the pullbacks to the VWAP here. I got in here around 605. I got out at 660. However, this really made a move all the way to 820 before pulling back. This looks strong for a second day runner tomorrow, so I have my eyes on WIMI for tomorrow as well. The trades that let's look at the swing trades that I closed today. Amazon was one of my swing trades. I was holding from 3,200, 3,230. I closed it at 3,400, but this one all the way to almost 35, 3,495. So could have cashed in a little bit more, but now this looks higher post market as well. Next up, the trade that I closed today was AKBA, AKBA. AKBA, I had gotten in on Friday, and I got in on this move, when it broke this 312. I got in here, it made pre-market is when I got out of this trade. Uh, right here somewhere at 330, as it was breaking 330, I got out. It made a nice move to 354, but then sold off heavy. Uh, so I got away. I sold half at 349 post market on Friday, and today in the pre market I got out at 330. So my average was 340. Um, the next trade I closed was PDD. This trade, I got in here on this break here on Friday, and today it really moved nicely. I got out because of the 50-day period moving average. However, this looks good to make another move higher. So I'm watching this for another move higher to at least 87 bucks. So PDD is also on my watch list for tomorrow. Again, higher than average volume, and this looks good to make a move higher. So PDD is on my watch list for tomorrow. The only two open positions that I have is Tesla. I'm still liking Tesla here to make a move higher tomorrow. And also I have NIO. NIO also was this wedge pattern. It's not moving right now, but I like this. I also closed WKHS this morning as it was gapping down. I got out at 27, but then it went all the way to 30 bucks, but then ended up coming down. So you can never tell, but as it was gapping down, I got out. This looks lower for tomorrow because of the volume. It's sold off on higher than normal volume, 79 million shares, as volume average is 25 million. So this looks lower. My last swing trade is PLT that I got in. I like this, continuation downtrend here. I got in here at 1743. I was kind of late. I should have really gotten at 1672, but I'm willing to add if it comes back to that number or that level of 1672. So I have like half my position here at 1743, and this looks higher. This looks like it wants to retest. Uh, it wants to test this area, which is about this $22. So I am bullish on PLT. I will buy this on the pullback if there is any, and this one looks like it wants to go higher. Now, some of the positions that I'm watching for tomorrow are NOVN. I like how this is a wedge. So if this can break out tomorrow, so I like this to go higher. It's a small penny stock. Next up, I like ALGN. ALGN, again, this uh, descending wedge breakout. I should have gone on this today, but I did not. Keeping an eye out on this one to see if I could get a position. Next up is CAG. CAG is really nice. This is one of my top watches for tomorrow. If this can break this, these highs of 38.30, 38.20, so around 38, 38. Let's just say 38.15, 38.20, so 38.25. So I'm interested in 38.25 CAG. SHW, again, same pattern here. I like if this can break 710. Next up is ECOM. Um, I like ECOM. This one, I am a definite buyer over 17. So if this does not gap up too high over 17, I'm going to at least trade this to 17.78. I like ECOM to make a move higher. JMIA, also my top watch for tomorrow. This can, we already traded this twice, but today, it put in a really nice solid candle with igniting with higher than normal volume, RC over 20. This can go to 15.95. Uh, GRUB, I talked about this in my video previously or on Friday. I should have gotten this on the open. I did not, and this really moved nicely. So if this can consolidate or pull back here to the $75 level, then I'm interested in getting in GRUB. RGNX, uh, RGNX, it's a tough one. I mean, it sold off, really nicely. Now it's trying to make a move higher, but it's, dead smack into the 50-day period moving average. So if this can bounce over this $30.39, and I'm looking to trade it all the way to 36. So keeping an eye out on RGNX. Next up is WIMI. They traded this today. This was really nice. But it closed off really strong and now moving stronger in the post market. So WIMI, I am looking, if this can, if this doesn't gap up too much tomorrow, I'm looking to get back in it for a move to $10. I'm not too hot to try on this one, but it's on my watch list. PDD is also on my watch list. We closed this today actually, but now since it has closed above the 50-day period moving average, it's like a strong post market. Also, this can at least go to 87, if not 91. So I am looking to get into PDD at somewhere close to $84, $85. Trade it all the way to 87. All right, guys, that will do it for this video. If you haven't already done so, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and make sure to leave a like on the video. Thanks a lot, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.